How to use the admin panel. Once you have logged into your admin panel, you will be presented with this dashboard. It is divided into two sections. The left-hand side displays the tabs available, and the right side displays your account status. In the top right corner, you will find a list of administrators who have access to the dashboard. We suggest keeping this list to a minimum, as all administrators have the same access rights. It may be preferable to create and assign tutors for monitoring groups instead, as tutors only have access to the course and to the data for their groups. The center box displays details of your license, which includes the number of licenses purchased, in use, still available, and the course expiry date. To the right is a red Typing Tournament button. By clicking it, all pupils enrolled on the course will be automatically entered into the worldwide tournament. Once entered, a trophy symbol will appear in the header bar of each learner's course. They simply click on it to take a test. Any new pupils added to the course will be automatically enrolled. The tournament can be used in two ways. 1. As part of our worldwide typing tournament, or 2. As an in-house schools tournament, where pupils can compete against peers and teachers. In the Education Help and Resources tab, you will find a variety of information and guides to help get you started. Group administration allows you to create additional administrators, tutors, groups, and individual users. To create a new administrator or tutor, fill in the fields, then click Save and Send, and they will be emailed their link and password, or if you prefer, just click Save and give them their details personally. To create a new group or groups, add the groups and click Save. Please ensure to create all your user groups prior to uploading your student lists. Create single new users allows you to create an individual user. All KAZ courses are now inclusive, suitable for both mainstream and neurodivergent learners, so you don't have to choose which course to allocate. There is just one option. Clicking Upload multiple users allows you to upload a full list, such as the whole school roll, in a matter of minutes. For step-by-step instruction, click on these links and view our Upload Multiple Users video. There are two methods available. You can upload your spreadsheet from an Excel file, but this method does require some knowledge of Excel. Create a spreadsheet with fields and data in the same order as indicated on the sample sheet, then upload. Or alternatively, use the simple method of copy and pasting data from your spreadsheet directly into the portal. Once pasted in, any errors will be highlighted. Simply correct or delete. After completing either of the above methods, if you marked Y4 yes, learners will be emailed their login codes. If you marked N4 no, tell or give learners their codes manually. The User Statistics tab allows you to view your user list, results, and delete users. User List allows you to search by name, email, or by group. Clicking the book symbol at the end will allow you to view all results for an individual learner. However, these results will only appear if any tests have been completed. The Edit tool allows you to edit information, and the X will delete an individual learner completely. To delete several learners, click the little box at the beginning by their name and then scroll down and click the red Delete button at the bottom. And to delete a whole group, first select your group from the drop-down menu, then scroll to the bottom of the page, click Select All, and click the red Delete button. The Progress Test Results tab gives an overview of learners' latest typing test results, and are indicative of actual typing speed and accuracy. Search data by username, email, or group, and click the book symbol to view errors keys. Clicking the green box will show the number of tests taken, and display full history and graphic representation of their progress. All data can be exported to Excel or CSV spreadsheets. Deleted Users displays a list of all users who have been deleted and have lost access to the course. Their details remain on file in this folder in order to preserve the integrity of the course license. Only the KAZ team have the ability to empty the folder and release the licenses. At the end of your license term, send us an email request, and we will empty the folder and release the licenses for the following year. You will be able to view this reallocation on your dashboard. The Add Spellings a Word Bank feature is linked to the Just Do It Challenge module. It allows you to insert personalized vocabulary, such as spellings of the week, problematic or subject-related words, and adjust the timer. Simply choose your group, set your timer, and then insert your vocabulary. If you choose Generic, from the drop-down menu, all groups will be presented with the vocabulary inserted, which will appear as a fourth challenge module. If you choose a particular group from the drop-down menu, only that group will be presented with the vocabulary. Once saved, our API will automatically translate the text to speech for learners. Tournament results will display learners' results in highest ranking order. If you would like a free one-to-one webinar, please contact us via our website or email.